Good day everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Google Chrome in just a few easy steps. Right now, we currently have Microsoft Edge and we'll be using it to download Google Chrome. Open the browser and type Google Chrome in the search bar right here. Click on the first result, which should be from the official Google Chrome website. On the Chrome download page, click the Download Chrome button and wait for the download to complete. So once the file is downloaded, open it. Click Yes to allow the installation, then wait for it to finish. Once the installation is complete, you can open your Google Chrome and log into your personal accounts to start browsing.